TRT has gotten incredibly popular lately, proclaimed as its incredible solution to sexual function, brain fog, mood, muscle builder, but does it do more harm than good? Hi, my name is Alex, and on this channel I help men boost testosterone levels naturally with predictability. Testosterone is a hormone found both in males and females, but it's primarily reproductive hormone in men. Testosterone hugely affects a man's physical and psychological aspects of health. Libido, motivation, muscle growth, fat loss, cognitive abilities, energy levels, just to name a few, are hugely affected by testosterone levels. Testosterone levels can decrease with disease, age, and micronutrient deficiencies. But studies have shown that men 70 in rural areas have the same testosterone levels as men aged 17. This comes to show that age is not really a factor, but your lifestyle aspects and protocols are. The use of testosterone supplementation like TRT has increased in the recent years due to the hype created by the big pharma and huge influencers like Joe Rogan, claiming all these amazing benefits. While the use may seem beneficial in some areas, TRT has its own dark side. Why do people even experience low testosterone levels in the first place? Our ancestors never had this issue, and they even had way higher testosterone levels than we do now. Referring to the men that live in rural areas, the reason why men experience low testosterone levels is because of lifestyle aspects and endocrine disruptors, micronutrient deficiencies, inflammatory foods, and lack of exercise. Now tell me how a testosterone supplement like TRT is meant to fix all these aspects in your life. Well, the best way I can explain this to you is with the story of how the Wright Brothers invented the world's first flying airplane. In 1903, the race was on all around the world to invent the first plane that could fly. And most people became utterly obsessed with the engine. People started building larger and larger engines with more and more horsepower and strapping them to planes, completely ignoring the aerodynamics of the wings. Well, this resulted in some of the fanciest, more powerful engines in the world had ever seen, but it also resulted in planes that couldn't get off the ground and were great to look at, but completely useless. The Wright brothers took a different approach. While the whole world was obsessed over engines, the Wright brothers looked at the plane's aerodynamics and wings. They first focused on a plane that could glide without an engine, and then they had the recipe right. They strapped an ordinary engine to it, and boom, the first flying airplane was invented. Now I want you to pause for a moment and let the next point really sink in, because it's a big one, and it's almost the exact opposite to what everybody out there else is feeding you. Today in the health industry, we are repeating the history of the engine obsession. Most guys are obsessed with the flashiest supplements and are completely ignoring the fundamentals. Most guys are obsessed and frenzied over the new testosterone booster like TRT, but in reality they are strapping a larger and more powerful engine to a fundamentally flawed plane. Few side effects of TRT include low sperm count, which can cause infertility, increased risk of blood clots, shrinkage of the testicles, larger breasts, increased risk of heart attack and stroke, which nobody wants to experience. What if you are experiencing low testosterone? What can you do? I would first of all start off by removing blockers from your lifestyle. Things that are lowering your testosterone levels: junk food, polyunsaturated fats, alcohol, endocrine disruptors, foods that aggravate your stomach, toxic music, media into your brain. Then start adding optimizers like intelligent supplementation protocols like zinc, magnesium, vitamin D, and overall fixing your micronutrient deficiencies. Improve your sleep, hit the gym, socialize, eat amazing food, and get on NoFap. What I want you to do now is comment down below what low testosterone symptoms are you experiencing as of right now, and I'll do my best to give you a solution in the comments down below. That being said, it was a pleasure to share these facts, and I'll see you later. Peace.